1 Minute English for Truck Drivers, Episode 1. Truck drivers, if you're driving across America and still struggling with English, stop. Because after this 1 minute, you're going to sound way more confident on the road. Let's roll. First phrase you need to know. I'm going to drop my load. Sounds simple, but many beginners say, I go drop load now. Nope. The natural way is, I'm going to drop my load at. Easy, clean, native. Next important phrase when you're at a warehouse or talking to a dispatcher. What's my pickup number? Don't say, give me number for pickup. Say this instead. It sounds professional. Hey, what's my pickup number? Short, confident, truck driver approved. And when you're running late, trust me, every trucker uses this. I'm running behind. Don't say, I'm late. Say, I'm running behind, but I'm on my way. Sounds smoother. No stress. No panic. If you're a truck driver trying to level up your English, follow this series. We're going to learn the exact words American truckers use daily. Because English should be as easy as your morning coffee before hitting the road. Follow for Episode 2.